Hey friends, if you encounter the error something happened and we couldn't install a feature, then please watch this video. I know that this may sound a little weird, but simply changing the network will fix the problem for a lot of users. So for example, if you're on a 5G network, try connecting to the 2.4G network. Okay, I'll enter the password and I'll hit enter. Now if this doesn't help, then you can try performing an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next one is to run a malware scan. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command mrt and hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool, and then click on next, select full scan, click on next and let it run through. The last one is to uninstall any recent upgrade. And how would you do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select update history. Now click on uninstall updates, click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.